Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a point-to-point network. A point-to-point network establishes a direct, dedicated connection between two communication endpoints. Think of it as a private conversation between just two devices, like two computers or two routers. This setup is incredibly simple and efficient, ensuring that data travels directly without passing through intermediate network devices. It's a foundational concept in networking. To set up your point-to-point link, you'll need two network-enabled devices, like computers or routers, and one connecting cable. For short distances, a standard Ethernet cable, perhaps a Cat5e or Cat6, is common. For longer distances or higher speeds, fiber optic cables are often preferred, supporting distances up to several kilometers. Always ensure your network interface cards support your chosen cable type and speed, like 1 gigabit per second. Once your hardware is connected, the next step is configuration. You'll need to assign a unique static IP address to each of your two devices. For example, one device could be 192.168.1.1 and the other 192.168.1.2. Both should use the same subnet mask, commonly 255.255.255.0. This ensures they can communicate directly. After configuration, it's crucial to test your connection. Open a command prompt on one device and type ping followed by the other device's IP address. For example, ping 192.168.1.2. You should see successful replies. If not, first check your physical cable connection. Then, double-check the IP addresses and subnet masks on both devices for any typos. Most issues are resolved by these simple checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.